How to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easy method to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So if you have got handful number of followings on Instagram, you follow lots of people and you wanna quickly unfollow them, then what you can do in order to unfollow them is, well, you have to simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile feed and select the following option. And when you open this following option here, you need to simply only way you have or only option you have got is to tap on the following and simply unfollow in this way. So Instagram does not give any solution or the quick method or a specific tool that help us to quickly unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. So you simply need to manually unfollow them one by one. But I'll show you the alternative way. Instead of that is simply tap on three line icon at the top right corner of the screen on this profile feed and then scroll to the bottom of the screen and select help. Here select the report a problem option and report problem without checking. After that you can include and continue, and here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So simply on this page you can simply write that to Instagram that you want to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, and you need to provide the reason why you want to do that. After that you can attach or upload any attachment here and then tap on send at the top right corner, and after 24 hours or 44 hours or the 48 hours, Instagram will help us to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.